How to customize motorcycle. A step-by-step guide. When you gaze upon a motorcycle, it's more than just a vehicle, it's a canvas of endless possibilities. Every rider yearns to make their bike an extension of their personality, and their dream ride materializes. The allure of motorcycle customization lies in the freedom to create a two-wheeled masterpiece that reflects your true self. At Cheap Motorcycle Shipping, we understand that a customized motorcycle is not just a machine, it becomes an expression of who you are. That's why we're passionate about supporting riders like you in this exhilarating journey of personalization. As motorcycle transport experts, we take pride in delivering your precious ride with the utmost care, knowing that it's more than just a bike, it's a manifestation of your dreams. With our seamless shipping services, your motorcycle is in safe hands, leaving you free to focus on what truly matters, customizing your bike into a remarkable piece of art. Give us a call today at 888-230-9776.